Are you looking to enhance your Nifty
and Bank Nifty trading skills?
Look no further. In this article, we will reveal the top 5 technical indicators
that will help you achieve
success in your trading journey. But wait, before we dive
into these indicators,
make sure to join our free learning group on WhatsApp. By joining, you'll gain access to valuable insights, tips,
and strategies to take
your trading to the next level.
Plus, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this article with your friends
who are also interested
in improving their trading game.
Now, let's get down to business. The first technical indicator
on our list is the moving average.
This popular indicator
helps traders identify trends
and
potential entry and exit points by calculating the average price of a security
over a specific period.
You can spot bullish
or bearish trends and make informed
trading decisions.
Next up, we have the Relative Strength Index, RSI. This momentum oscillator measures the speed and change of price movements, indicating overbought or oversold conditions.
By understanding
when a stock is overbought or oversold, you can determine when to buy or sell,
maximizing your
profits and minimizing losses. The third indicator on our list is the Bollinger Bands, developed by John Bollinger.
This indicator consists of a moving average surrounded by 2 standard deviation lines. These bands help traders identify volatility and potential price reversals. When the price hits the upper band,
it may be overbought.
And when it touches the lower band,
it may be oversold.
Moving on, we have the MACD,
Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which is a widely used indicator in technical analysis. By measuring the relationship between 2 moving averages, this indicator helps traders identify trend reversals, bullish or bearish crossovers, and potential entry or exit points. Last but not least, we have the stochastic oscillator. This indicator compares
a security's
closing price to its price range over a specific period, indicating overbought or oversold conditions. It can also help traders spot bullish or bearish divergences, providing valuable insights for trading decisions. These top 5 technical indicators, namely moving average, RSI,
Bollinger Bands, MACD, and stochastic oscillator,
can significantly improve your
Nifty and Bank Nifty trading. Remember, success in trading requires
continuous learning and practice. So join our free learning group on WhatsApp to gain access to exclusive content. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this article with your fellow traders. Start your journey towards successful trading today.